Good evening. This is Kathleen Saludas with a breaking news update. A powerful typhoon is currently tracking towards the northern region of Sibubog. Residents are urged to take immediate precautions as authorities predict potentially severe impacts. According to meteorological experts, the typhoon is rapidly intensifying and is expected to make landfall in Sibubog Norte within the next 48 hours. With wind speeds exceeding 150 kilometers per hour, this storm poses a significant threat to the area. Local officials are urging residents to prepare for possible evacuation orders and to secure loose objects around their homes. Emergency shelters are being activated and residents are advised to stock up on essential supplies including food,